Crafting a compelling cover letter for your visa application can feel like holding the key to unlocking a treasure chest of travel experiences. It's a vital piece of the puzzle that could open the doors to your dream destination, in this case, the scenic landscapes of Canada. Today, we delve into the art of penning an effective cover letter for a Canada visitor visa application. This isn't a mere formality, it's your personal introduction, your story, your intent, all neatly packaged into a letter that could pave your way to the Great White North. First things first, address your letter to the appropriate Canadian visa office or consulate where you're applying. It's like sending a formal invitation. You wouldn't want it landing in the wrong hands, would you? Don't forget to include your full name, address, and contact details at the top of the letter. Now imagine you're at a party. You wouldn't just stand in a corner, would you? You'd introduce yourself, mingle, express your purpose for being there. Apply the same principle to your cover letter. Introduce yourself and clearly state why you wish to visit Canada. Is it to explore the Rocky Mountains, attend a family wedding, or simply to experience poutine in its homeland? Whatever it is, be clear and concise. Next on the agenda is your travel plan. Much like a well-planned itinerary, your cover letter should outline the dates of your intended travel, your planned itinerary, and accommodations. Show them you've got it all figured out and are ready to embark on your Canadian adventure. If you're lucky enough to have someone in Canada sponsoring your visit, do mention it in your cover letter. It's like having a personal reference in a job application. It counts. Provide their contact information and explain how you're connected to them. Finally, wrap up your letter with a note of thanks for considering your application and offer your contact information for any further correspondence. It's like leaving a conversation on a positive note, keeping the door open for future dialogues. And there you have it, the blueprint for a compelling cover letter for your Canada visitor visa application. But remember, proofreading is as essential as the content itself, so double-check your letter before hitting that submit button. If you found this guide helpful, do hit that like button, drop a comment, and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts. Together, we can make the world a smaller, more accessible place. Safe travels, and hopefully, we'll see you soon in Canada.